Welcome back to another quick guide today. We will walk you through how to make pic black and white in Snapseed. Here's a simple step-by-step for making a photo black and white in Snapseed. First, launch the Snapseed app on your mobile device. Import your photo. Tap the plus or open button. Tap to select the photo you want to edit. Go to Tools. At the bottom of the screen, tap Tools to see editing options. Select the black and white tool. Tap black and white, looks like a circle split into black and white halves. Apply default black and white filter. By default, the photo will instantly turn black and white. Choose a style. At the bottom, swipe through styles like neutral, bright, dark, film, etc. Tap to preview each effect. Adjust brightness or contrast. Tap the tune icon, the sliders, to adjust brightness, contrast, grain, and fade. Swipe to adjust the values. On brightness, swipe up or down to select a setting. Swipe left or right to increase or decrease the intensity. Fine-tune shadows and highlights. Use the contrast to balance light and dark areas. Zoom in to check details. Pinch and zoom to ensure the photo looks good and not too faded. Compare before and after. Press and hold the eye icon on the top right to see the original versus edited photo. Apply the changes. Once satisfied, tap the check mark at the bottom right. Save the edited photo. Tap Export, then choose Save a copy, or Export to keep your black and white photo. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.